Hi! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Also, for additional tutorial videos, visit our videos or our playlist tabs. Before completing this tutorial, you'll need to have an understanding of your times tables. Also, if you haven't yet viewed and gone through Division Part 1, go back, view that tutorial, and then return to this one. During this tutorial, you're going to need something to write with and something to write on. Do your best to use mental math and show your work, and please avoid using calculators. Here we go.
Problem 1. Read the problem to yourself as I read it aloud. 482 divided by 4. Now just to remind you, 482 is our dividend and 4 is our divisor. Our answer will be our quotient. Now, can 4 go into 4? How many times? 1 time. We subtract the 4 and bring down our 8. Now, how many times can 4 go into 8? 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. We subtract 8 and we bring down our 2. Now, can 4 go into 2? No, it cannot. So we'll put a 0, and this becomes our remainder. There's no other numbers to bring down, so 2 is our remainder. Now let's check our work. If we take our answer, 120, times 4, 4 times 0, 0, 4 times 2, 8, 4 times 1 is 4, and then we add our remainder, we get 482, and that is equal to our original dividend. Great job. Problem 2. 658 divided by 7. Our dividend is 658, our divisor is 7, and our quotient will be our answer. How many times can 7 go into 6? 0 times. If you want, you can do minus 0 because we haven't taken anything away, and bring down your 6 and your 5. 7 goes into 65 how many times? This is when your multiplication times tables come in handy. 9 times. 7 times 9 is 63. We'll subtract 63 and we get 2. Let's bring down our 8. And how many times can 7 go into 28? If you said 4 times, that's correct. We'll subtract 28 because 7 times 4 is 28, and we get 0. Our quotient, or our answer, is 94, or 94 remainder 0. Now let's check our work. 94 times 7. 7 times 4 is 28. We write the 8, carry the 2. 7 times 9 is 63, plus 2 is 65, and we get our original dividend. Great job. Problem number 3. Read the problem to yourself as I read it aloud. 904 divided by 6. Now I'm going to have you go ahead and complete this problem on your own. When you see the word pause appear on your screen, click pause. When you've got your answer, click play. And don't forget, check your work. Good luck! Welcome back. You should have gotten 150 remainder 4. Now let's go through this problem together. How many times does 6 go into 9? 1 time. We subtract the 6, bring down our 0. How many times does 6 go into 30? 5 times. 5 times 6 is 30. Subtract, bring down our 4. How many times does 6 go into 4? 0 times. 6 is bigger than 4. We don't have any other numbers to bring down, so 4 is our remainder. Our answer is 150, remainder 4. Now, to check your work on this problem, you would do 150, your quotient, times 6, your divisor. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 5 is 30. Carry the 3. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9. And at the end, we add our remainder, which is 4, and we get 904, which is our original dividend. Great job. Problem 4. 1,218 divided by 3. I'm going to have you go ahead and do this problem on your own as well. Click pause when you see the word pause appear on your screen, and then click play once you've got your answer. Don't forget to check your work. Good luck. Welcome back. How did you do? You should have gotten 406, remainder 0, or 406. Let's work this problem out together. How many times does 3 go into 1? 0 times. Now you can either look at it as a 12 now, or if you want, you can subtract 0 and then bring your 2 down. How many times does 3 go into 12? 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. Bring our 1 down. How many times does 3 go into 1? 0 times. Bring our 8 down. How many times does 3 go into 18? 6 times. 6 times 3 is 18. And we have 0 left over as our remainder. Now let's check our work. 406 times 3. 3 times 6 is 18, carry the 1. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. And 3 times 4 is 12. There's our original dividend. Great job.
How are you doing? If you're unsure about the information we've covered so far, not to worry. Go ahead and restart this video and go through it again, or revisit it when you're ready. If you haven't yet completed Division Part 1, go visit that video as well to help reinforce some of these concepts. If you feel good about the work you've done so far, let's keep going. In the next section, there'll be 6 unguided questions. Work through the problems, and then check your answer against mine. Good luck!
Problem 5. 3,574 divided by 5. Good luck! Welcome back. You should have gotten 714, remainder 4. Problem 6. Read the problem with me as I read it aloud. 710 divided by 8. Now make sure you check your work. Good luck. Welcome back. You should have gotten 88, remainder 6. If you didn't, that's okay. Let's go over the problem together. How many times does 8 go into 7? 0 times. How many times does 8 go into 71? 8 times. 8 times 8 is 64. Subtract. Bring down your 0. How many times does 8 go into 70? 8 times. 8 times 8 is 64. Subtract. There are no other numbers to bring down, so 6 is our remainder. 88, remainder, 6. Now let's check our work. 88 times 8. 8 times 8 is 64. Carry the 6. 8 times 8 is 64. Plus 6. Add our remainder. And we get 710. And that's our original dividend. Great job! Problem 7. 937 divided by 4. Good luck! Welcome back. You should have gotten 234, remainder 1. Problem 8. 2,391 divided by 7. Make sure you take your time and check your work. Good luck! Welcome back. You should have gotten 341, remainder 4. Now let's go through this problem together. How many times can 7 go into 2? 0 times. What about 23? 3 times. 7 times 3 is 21. Subtract 21. Bring down your 9. How many times can 7 go into 29? 4 times. 7 times 4 is 28. Subtract. Bring down your 1. How many times can 7 go into 11? 1 time. And we get 4 left over. There's nothing else to bring down, so that's our remainder. 341, remainder 4. Now let's check our work. 341 times 7. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 4 is 28. Write the 8, carry the 2. 7 times 3 is 21. Plus 2 is 23. Plus, we have 4 left over. And our answer is 2,391, and that is our dividend. So our quotient is 341, remainder 4. Great job. Problem 9. Only 2 problems left. You're almost there. 865 divided by 9. Don't forget to check your work. Welcome back. You should have gotten 96, remainder 1. Problem 10. You made it to the very end. Great job. 5,462 divided by 2. Good luck. Welcome back. You should have gotten 2,731, remainder 0. Let's work through this problem together. How many times does 2 go into 5? 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. Bring down the 4. 2 goes into 14 7 times. 2 times 7 is 14. Subtract. Bring down the 6. How many times does 2 go into 6? 3 times. 2 times 3 is 6. Bring down the 2. How many times does 2 go into 2? 1 time. 2 times 1 is 2. We have nothing else to bring down and no remainder. So you can either put your answer as 2,731 or 2,731, remainder 0. Let's check our work. Two times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 7 is 14. Carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 5,462 looks like our dividends match. So our final answer is 2,731, remainder 0. Great job.
So, how did you do? If the last 6 problems didn't go so well, feel free to restart this video and try them again, or revisit Division Part 1. If you feel good about the work you've done today, congratulations, you're ready to move on. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.